with Obadiah's, and today I have a talking topic I want to discuss. Believe it or not, I get this question a lot. What is a wood cook stove? So I have all of these videos out specifically on wood cook stoves where I demo them and I show them in operation, but let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What the heck is a wood cook stove? This sitting next to me is a wood cook stove. A wood cook stove is going to have a firebox and a baking oven. Wood cook stoves are actually going to be unique because they fall into a totally different category when it comes down to like EPA regulations and testing, okay? So anything that has a baking oven and a cook surface that is basically these specific measurements that the EPA puts out. We have a whole chart that we make sure all of our products fit within. As long as it meets those requirements, it is then EPA exempt. What does that mean for you as a consumer? That means access to more products. All kinds of products, European products, Canadian products, US products, and it doesn't have to go through the same testing requirements. That generally means lower prices for the consumer and also just more availability to products because right now it's New Year's Eve actually, so we're headed into the year of 2022 and the EPA has literally been backed up on approving wood stove, wood furnaces, boilers for like a year and a half. So what that means is if you're subject to EPA regulations and you design this amazing product that you want to get on the market and sell, you can't legally sell it until the EPA has tested it and says, okay buddy, here you go, here's your stamp of approval, you can sell it. That drastically limits the products available on the market, not just because of the extreme testing costs, but literally because of the backlog of the EPA actually being able to approve products. So that's kind of what's unique about cook stoves. Can you heat with a cook stove? That honestly depends on the model and how much heat they are going to produce. But yes, you are burning a wood fire, okay? Anytime you're burning wood, you're gonna get heat out of it. Now there are some old wood cook stoves on the market, like if your grandma has a cook stove, or you have bought a house that has one of these old antique cook stoves. They are not airtight, okay? They're not even close to the type of cook stoves that we are selling now. These are essentially a wood stove that are completely airtight with damper control with a baking oven. So they are multi-purpose, multi-function. To get around EPA regulations, we have to put labeling on the stove. These are not certified residential heaters. Why? Because they're not certified with an EPA stamp of approval. That does not mean that the product is not safe, and it does not mean that you will not be able to heat your home. So if you check out our website, click on the wood cook stove category, we have search options where you can select your heating range that you're looking for, and it will categorize those cook stoves that are available in your heating range. If you guys have any further questions on cook stoves, on heating appliances, feel free to either drop them in the comments, better yet, send us an email off of our website. That's the quickest way to get a response, or you can always give us a call at the office number as well. I really hope you guys find these video overviews helpful. If you like my videos, don't forget, give them a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.